Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were studying the lesson number 2, that is animal world. And in this lesson, we studied some concepts like what is habitat, what are terrestrial animals, what are aquatic animals. And next, we made a list according to the animals and their habitats. Okay, and we'll study about the body covering of animals. Like I told you, some of the animals are having feathers, some of the other animals having fur on their bodies, some of the animals are having shell in other animals are having scales on their bodies, which help them to live in a particular regions. Okay, so next we studied about eating habits in animals. I told you that on the basis of eating habits of the animals, they divided into 3 types of animals. Those are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So what are the herbivores? The animals which eat, the plant eating animals are called as herbivores, and many more examples are there like cow, ox, goat, etc. What are the carnivores? The flesh-eating animals are called as carnivores. Examples are like tiger, lion, cat, dog, etc. Next, about omnivores. What are the omnivores? The animals which eat plants as well as flesh of other animals are called as omnivores. Examples are like what are those? Human beings. Okay, so these are the examples for omnivores. So after all this, today we will study about breathing in animals. How the breathing takes place in animals. First of all, we will learn the definition of breathing. The definition of breathing. So what is breathing? An animal breathes in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide. It's called breathing. An animal breathes in oxygen and breathes out carbon dioxide. Animals ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ತಗೋತಾವೋ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಬ್ರೀತ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. Okay, the breathing takes different in all types of animals. It means land animals are land animals breathe through their lungs, and say amphibians are there, aquatic animals are there, insects are there. All the animals breathe. Okay, all animals breathe, but in the different way. So first we will study that how the land animals breathe. What is that? Land animals. Land animals. Okay, so first birds, reptiles and mammals breathe through their lungs. All these animals, land animals, breathe through their lungs. What are those? Those are reptiles. Mammals and birds. These animals are having lungs for breathing purpose. Okay, and also for example in human beings, which are mammals. Human beings also example for the land animal, because a human being is also an animal. Okay, next, mammals, air enters the body through the nostrils. So nostrils in the sense mugu. Okay, how do we breathe? We take the oxygen inside of our body through the nostril, and we give out the carbon dioxide through the nostrils only. Oxygen anna ಮೂಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, carbon dioxide anna ಮೂಗಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, this is called breathing. This is how we breathe. Okay, through the, so which mammals? Air enters the body. Air enters our body through the nostrils and mouth. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯೊಳಗ ಅವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಬಾಯಿಲೇನು ಉಸಿರಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ಏರ್ through their mouth inside of our body. It reaches our lungs. ಅದು ಉಸಿರಾಡಿದ್ದು ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ರೂ ಅ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಎದ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತ, ವಿಂಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತ. ಏನಿರುತ್ತ, ವಿಂಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತ. ನೋಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ವಿಂಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ, ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಏರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏರ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏರ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಆ ಏರನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನೋಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್. ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ನೋಸ್ಟ್ರಿಲಿಂದನೇ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. See, all the land animals breathe through their lungs, and some of the animals are breathe through their mouth also. They take in oxygen through their nostril, and it will go and pass through the windpipe, and finally it goes and reach the lungs, and here it will the air or the oxygen will mix up with the blood, and through that blood it will go to all the body parts. Okay, next at finally it will come out, it will give out the carbon dioxide through the nostril. Okay, so this is how breathing takes place in the land animals. They are having specially lungs for the breathing purpose. Some of the animals breathe through their lungs, some of the animals breathe through their mouth also. Okay, examples I told you that reptiles, birds, mammals, etc. Okay, so next it's about amphibians now. Amphibians. What is that? Amphibians. See, what are the amphibians? Amphibians are animals that live both on land and in water. These live both on land and water. And water are called amphibians. So amphibians ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವು, ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವ. ಅಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಂಫಿಬಿಯನ್ಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್. Yes, frog and snake. These two animals lives on the land also and in water also. Okay, so next tell me how frog breathes. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದ, ನೀರೊಳಗೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದ. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. See, frog breathes through its lungs when it is on land. ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎದ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದ, ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ನೀರೊಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತದ, with their moist skin. With their moist skin when it is in water. See, frog is the best example for amphibians because it live on land and as well as in the water. Because frog breathes through their lungs. It breathes through their lungs while it is on land, and it breathes through their moist skin when it is in water. Okay, so this is about amphibians. What are the amphibians? Some of the animals live both on land and water. Those are called as amphibians. Some examples for amphibians are frog and snake. Frog, it is the only animal which live on land and water also. It breathes through their lungs when it is on land. It breathes through their moist skin when it is in water. Okay, so it is called as amphibians. Okay, this is about amphibians. After this, aquatic animals. See, aquatic animals. So, aquatic animals. So, what are the aquatic animals? Animals which live in the water are called as aquatic animals. ಯಾವ animals ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ aquatic animals ಅಂತೀವಿ. Okay. So some of the examples like fish, prawns. What are the examples? Fish. Okay. And prawns. Okay. And crab. These are the examples for the aquatic animals, and they breathe through their gills. How do they breathe? How do aquatic animals breathe? They breathe through their gills because they live in water, they live in underwater, so they cannot breathe through their lungs. Okay, so they breathe through their gills. Okay, if you watch a fish carefully in an aquarium, you will see its mouth opening and closing continuously. Okay, so if ನೀವು ಅಕ್ವೇರಿಯಂ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಫಿಶ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಫಿಶ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಸೋ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅ ಫಿಶ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೌತ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ಬಾಯಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಫಿಶ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ನೀರನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಯೊಳಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಗಿಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಗಿಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಆ ನೀರು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಒಳಗಿರುವಂಥ ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೌತ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ. Okay, because they are having gills, it takes in water from the gills, it passes through its gills. Okay, during this process the oxygen is dissolved in the water and the carbon dioxide will come out of it through the gills. Okay, so what are the aquatic animals? The animals which live in the water are called aquatic animals. Some of the examples are like fish, prawns and crabs. These animals are having gills to breathe. Okay, they do not have lungs. Which kind of animals are having lungs? Those are the land animals. Okay, so up to here breathing in animals. One more is there, insects. So about insects we will study in the tomorrow's class. Read this lesson again one time and write everything that I wrote on the board. Okay, and fair complete idri ellaru. Tomorrow I will study. Tomorrow I will tell you about the insects, how the insects are, which kind of features they are having and how do they breathe. Okay, what through they breathe. These all things we will study in the next class.